Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to remove transitions from your Google Slides. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Google Slide. And as you can see here, we have some transition. Okay, we have this one. We have this one. Okay, so to remove them, it's simple and easy. Go to transition here or go to slide here and click on transition. Now we have here slide transition and we have flip. Click on it and choose none. Okay. If you want to remove it from all of them, all you have to do is click on apply to all slides like this. And now if we open our slide, for example, this one, as you can see, we don't have those transitions. That's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.